Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna of Start a Small Garden. For today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to hand pollinate strawberries. So if you don't have any pollinators in your garden or it has been a rainy day, hand pollinating your own strawberries is very easy. So here I'm gonna show you 3 ways that are very easy that you can do it in no time. So the first one is by using a paintbrush. So just make sure that your paintbrush is clean. All you have to do is kind of like move the pollens of the strawberries in the middle part. Kind of just move it like that with the tip of the brush, and that's the first way. It doesn't have to be a fancy paintbrush, just a regular paintbrush will do. And the second one is using a cotton buds. Using a clean cotton bud, you can use it also to move around the pollen into the center of a strawberry flower. And for the last one, if you don't have paintbrush or cotton buds, you could always use your thumb. So this is what I do. For example, if you don't want to make a fuss of paintbrush and cotton buds, you just use your thumb to move the pollen around. And how you can tell if the strawberry flower has been pollinated successfully, you will know because it will form a strawberry fruit, and then you will be able to harvest it in a couple of days or weeks. It depends on your strawberry variety. So there you go, guys. Those are the 3 ways that you can pollinate your strawberries by hand. I hope you're enjoying this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.